Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making the best scrambled eggs ever. You can keep them neutral, just scrambled eggs, or you can mix it with whatever you like. Bacon, salmon, whatever. Mushrooms. I'm making some bacon with it today. And we're also using a leftover piece of sourdough toast or bread that I'm gonna fry in butter to put the scrambled eggs on top of it. And if you want to see how I make the sourdough bread, that was last episode, but I'll link to it up here. And it's very simple. It takes a little bit of time because if you want them really nice and creamy, you can't put the heat up too high. But yeah, let's have a look at what we have here. But before we do, please click the subscribe button and also check the little bell icon so that you get the notifications when new episodes come online. Let's have a look. So on the board we have some chives just to garnish. We have the sourdough bread. We have 4 eggs. We have a bit of salted butter and we have some slices of bacon. And there's basically no prep at all. We have to cut up the chives, but we'll start with the eggs straight away because they take the longest. So we start with our butter, melting that down. Now the pot is on 5, and that means 5 out of 9 on my stove, so medium heat. It should not be hotter than that. Our butter is melted. We pour in the eggs. And it's easiest to use kind of a plastic spatula like this, and you break up the yolks and you start mixing. And you don't stop mixing until you're done. I'm not sure you can see it properly, but they're starting to grain a little bit, and that's what you want. So just continue stirring. Some black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now this is ready. So we'll get the bacon going. Give them a turn. Take them off onto a paper towel. We keep the fat from the bacon and we add a little bit of butter. And in goes our toast. Give this a turn. Get some butter in the middle. Our bread is ready as well. Put it straight onto the plate. So we're ready to serve this up. Just put our scrambled eggs nicely on the toast. Put our bacon on top of that. One is for me. Try it. And last but not least, some chives. And there we have it. The perfect scrambled eggs. No matter what you make it with. Now let's give it a try. Let's dig into this baby. Bread is nice and crunchy. The bacon is nice and crunchy. But the scrambled eggs are just creamy. And this just goes to show the best scrambled eggs, you don't make them with cream or milk or whatever. You just need eggs and butter and a little bit of thyme. And these, I promise you, they are the best. And if you think these are too creamy, just leave them a little bit longer on the stove, but I love them like this. A perfect treat for a weekend brunch. That's everything. It's nice and salty, nice and crunchy, savory, and the eggs are just so creamy. But that's it for this time. If you stuck with me this far, as always, please do me a favor. Click the thumbs up button below, like the episode. And if you haven't done so yet, please click the subscribe button. That's it for this time. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.